Hi baby! Welcome to the Christian world. Wish ko para sa'yo lumaking mabait. Huwag kang gagahiya kay Ate Gray na medyo makulit. And yun lang, mahal kita. Kahit malayo ako sa'yo. Yun lang.
Welcome to the Christian world, Arthur Azul. Sana lumaki kang healthy, malakas, at mabuting tao.
Broken bones are worth their weight in gold. They prove you're alive. No fears or regrets. Just take the jump and hold your breath.
We are praying for your good health every day, always, anak. And welcome to the Christian world!
Arthur Azul, ikaw ay binibinyagan ko sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Hi Azul! Welcome to the Christian world. I hope na lumaki ka na God-fearing at may takot sa parents mo. At lagi mong tatandaan na family, nandyan lang yun. Nandito lang kami kahit ano mang mangyari or kahit anong harapin mo in the future pag lumaki ka na.
Hi Azul! Welcome to the Christian world. Wish ko sa'yo sana lumaki ka ng may takot sa Diyos. Gagabayan ka namin, huwag kang mag-alala.
Sana hindi mo ibuhay yung pangalan mo na Azul or Blue, that you'll never be blue when you grow up. And I hope that you will be God-fearing and loving towards your family and everyone.
Ayun, welcome to the Christian world, baby Azul. Sana lumaki kang maka-Diyos, masunurin, at yun, lagi mong papakinggan yung parents mo, saka andito lang kami palagi, tito mo, tito Ninong. Dito lang ako palagi para sa'yo, gagabayan kita hanggang sa kaya mo na sa mundong to. Yun.